What is up, guys? Today, right now, it's gonna be this. It's gonna be a Pokemon pack opening. There's also Titan, Shatsu, and Rebel Clash, but I'm gonna save those for another video. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one for today. And before I even forget, this is where all my coins and all my things are gonna go, so let's leave this on the side right here. If you guys are having a good day, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me know why in the comment section below. If you guys are having a bad day, leave a thumbs down and let me know why in the comment section below. I'm always open to anything, you know. My bad, guys, but yeah, I was just getting these. If it's a good card like this one, it's gonna be in the black. If it's a I don't know. You guys are gonna have to teach me. You guys are gonna have to be hard on me and lecture me on these, cause yeah, I don't really know too much about it. But let's get on to the video. Let's open this. By the way, I'm not the best at. Well then, I'm not the best at opening these in a way that for show. I'm gonna get better while we get through it. But yeah, you could already see this. Like, the struggle is real. Okay, I'm gonna have to. I'm over here making paper art and stuff with this box. Come on now. These are probably like, who is this man? Somebody get this man, bro. Like, I be doing this like almost every time. My bad, guys. But here, 3 packs. Here's the code. DPT2BLC TCJ96B. First come, first serve. Alright, I don't really know the pattern of the pack, but you guys are gonna have to teach me that too. I feel like it's either 5 or 7. It's probably 3, but I don't even know. It's been a while, guys. Okay, wrong way. How? I don't even know now. Alright. Guess we'll figure it out. Here's the code. DZCN6 N6Y2 MLJGPB. The second code. I didn't even do the thing. Let's do it right now. Alright, let's start with 3. I feel like we have 3 shots of this. We cannot mess this up. Yeah, we could, but we have a trainer, great catcher. We have Pro Bow Pass. I know the other version is Nose Pass. We have Deerling. We have Tedisura. Is that right? We have Golett. We have the Dewpider. We have Heliptile. My bad for this pronunciations. We have a, is it a hollow Flebibi? I'm gonna put this right here on the side. We have Salvion, my bad, guys. Energy type fire. And we have Togedumara. Yeah, I don't really know how to say most of them, but we'll see. Let's put this one. one of these packs.